Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I would like to talk about Cognizant Digital Nurture Program. Many of you might have heard it, and Cognizant might have come to many of the colleges to offer this program. So last year when I was in my college, so Cognizant came to our college for the program of Digital Nurture. So this is basically a pre-placement program in which Cognizant is upskilling the college level student before they give placement to the students into their company, so that all the initial training will be covered in the digital nurture program while students are still in their second last semester. So when I thought of doing this program, I wasn't aware what the program is and how the program will function and what are the skills or the skill sets that program is offering to me so that I can brush up all my skills. So I was very confused. I searched in the YouTube for the videos so that I may know what is there in the Cognizant Digital Nurture program. But as the program was very new, so I couldn't find much of the videos in the YouTube. So after completing the Cognizant Digital Nurture program, yes, I have completed my Cognizant Digital Nurture program. I thought of making video for you guys so that before going into this program, or if you're already enrolled into this program, you should know some of the things about the overview and also about the details of the program. So this is first part of my video, and I'm gonna make another parts as well. So in first part I would only give overview of what the course really is, and then in my further videos I'll give detail about each and every module, about each and everything taught, and about the test pattern of the Cognizant Digital Nurture program. And I'll also share my feedback if you should do this program and what the program has to offer to you, and many more details that only a person who has done this program can give. You can get details of the program from Cognizant as well. Those PDF in which they're explaining about their program, but the detailed insight of the program can only be given by a student who has done the program. So in this playlist of Cognizant Digital Nurture program, I'm gonna make all the videos in parts where I'll cover what are the things that Cognizant Digital Nurture program has to offer and what is there inside the program. So as you guys all know that the Digital Nurture program has two profiles to offer. One is your Gen Z and second is Gen Z Next. Gen Z has an offer of 4 LPA, and Gen Z Next has offer of around 6.8 to 7 LPA. Figure may vary. So there are two offers in this program. Like after doing this program, you can get offer for 4 LPA, either for 4 LPA or for 6.8 or up to 7 LPA. So now many of you might be confused. What if we got enrolled in the program and then further we don't want to continue it, and we would want to get into Cognizant by their primitive process? Like this is a new process by which Cognizant is selecting student, but they also have another process like which is carrying on from years, the same process, aptitude test and other thing. What if we enrolled in digital program and then after that we don't want to do it, and we further want to go to ancient method of selection only? So yes, you can do that. Even if you're not able to clear digital nurture program, Cognizant will give you chance to sit for their placement drive when Cognizant come to your college. This digital nurture program is initial pre-placement drive in which you are getting pre-placement offer, and also when Cognizant comes to your college for the normal placement, even then you can sit for Cognizant program. So but I would suggest you to do digital nurture program if you could devote 3 to 4 hours of a day, because this program really helps you to brush up your skills. So guys, now let me give you overview of the program. So program has base 1 and base 2. Once you clear base 1, you'll move ahead with base 2. If you'll clear base 1, you'll be eligible for Gen C package. And after clearing the base 1, if you get enrolled in base 2 and you also clear base 2, so you will be eligible for getting Gen C next, which is a higher package. So the package depends on the level that you are clearing. So Cognizant has divided its program into two levels. One is base 1 and one is base 2. So in this video, I'll give you overview of base 1, what base 1 program has to offer to you. And in further part, I'll give detailed analysis of what is there in base 1 program, what is the exam pattern, how the exam are conducted, how you can pass the exams and other things. So in base 1 there are different modules. So in first module you'll get to read basics of algorithms, networking, operating system, etc. After in each module you'll get some videos. You'll get some video explanation of the topic, and then in the end you'll be given some exercises followed by test of each chapter. Like in module 1, which is the basic module, you have different subpart like OS, networking and algorithms. So you have to give individual tests for each and every part. And after you basically have to do assignments, and after completion of all the part, that is your module 1, once you have completed all the assignments etc., then a test will be scheduled for you for that module, and test will mainly be on Saturday or Sunday, depends when you'll get a leave. So basically it's on Sunday when everyone is free, so you can sit properly and give the exam. After completion of exam, so in order to get passed in the exam you need to score 60%. Once you score 60% in the exam, then only you can move to the next module. So in order to move to next module you have to clear the exam of your first module, and you have fair 3 attempts. You can give 3 attempts, and in every, like it happens once in a week, like on Sunday you'll have your exam. So you have 3 attempts to clear the module. Once you complete your one module, you'll move to another module which is related to your UX and web. In UX and web you have 3 things to study. First is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In HTML you'll have explanation of the topic, then there are exercises like you need to create web page using HTML5. Same goes for CSS and same goes for JavaScript. You have videos and then you have assignment exercise. You have to in order to be eligible to give test for second module, you have to complete all the assignments of module second. So once you complete all the assignments of module second, you'll be able to give test of that module on Sunday. And after completion of module second, you'll move to third module, which is your SQL part. So in that you'll basically read SQL, struct query language, and there are also different parts of it. You have to look at the videos, do all the exercise, clear the test. Then you'll move to next module, which is your Java. So in Java also you have 2 parts. One is your basic Java, like questions related to strings or related to array etc., for loop. And in second part you have whole object oriented approach in Java, where questions will be related to object oriented, like question related to creation of constructor, question related to abstraction, question related to, like, if a private variable is there, how will you access that private variable. So Java is all about coding part. In editor you have to write all the code, and once you complete all the assignments, then you can give test for Java module as well. And once you score 60 plus, be it in your first attempt, second attempt or third attempt, then you'll move to next module, which is your cloud module. Cloud module is all about theory. It's a theoretical part in which you'll study about all the 3 clouds that is there, like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and the Google Cloud, which is there. So you'll be studying about all the three of the cloud. It's basically the theory, and then you have to clear that module. So once you clear all these module, you'll have a final test for your base 1 exam. So after the final test, there are further processes that I'm gonna explain in my next video, and also I'll tell you what is there in the final test. I'm looking forward to bring in some more content on Cognizant Digital Nurture Program, as well as some other contents related to life, related to tech, related to communication. So please do like and subscribe my channel.